ọ bụrụ na ị need this video nwaanyị Ezenwanyi just ọ bụrụ na ị need the video just share and subscribe, then send me subscribe go then me send the video okay just drop your WhatsApp line or just this is my WhatsApp line and just chat me up me send the video of this woman who na afuna ka izire ebe ya na nwoke ọzọ na apịa ọkụ na one room. This woman ebe porn. Hi God, if this woman who kwuru hey God, all is so funny, Ezenwanyi for that matter also name Ezenwanyi ombe porn. See that now not their tradition, not their culture. So what you need this video of this woman ebe na nwoke ọzọ na apịa ọkụ na one room. Just share and subscribe. Since that you have already share and subscribe, then me send direct the video using this my WhatsApp line, then at this my screen. This woman ain't with this shame nando. One man reason why the shame ji wepụ ọfọ n'anya foto anya fariketa shame apụ ọfọ n'anya. The video meso nwe video post online ebe nwoke na nwoke ọzọ a married man na apịa ọkụ na one room. They proud, that's not tradition, not culture. Which type of culture? Which type of culture? Or even which type of culture? Keep nigga there no video see onwugi naked. Eat the naked, no video see onwugi post to choir. Ni me that's not tradition. One yoga. Okay now for that see no my English. One yoga nke we see na chief. Nke one yoga na chief we see. One yoga are they proud to go online? National now they are getting for me. That's not all film why indoors on name go name. Yes, national film why indoors on name go name. I didn't know reason why why shame to poor fananya. Because some of this type of things start. Okay, I got time with this type of thing. Muka game me. Why look at that no I name it nde opurr dressing. The video so okay go be posted on net. I been not joking. You not know your tradition, know your culture. Why you shame to poor fananya? Why shame you hear this fananya? It's the one yoga start now. That if you me, why indoors on name. Yes, now if you name that why indoors name this type of thing. It's the very good story of what happened or what you did. It's quite proud, and that's that no why indoors name. Eh? Obuni need this particular video Ezenwanyi. Obuni the video Ezenwanyi. Just comment and also share this video and also subscribe. Then see me make it. Then I will send you the full video of this woman. Can you find this someone shame apugo fananya? Shame apugo fananya. Fe nwezi yere. Yes, someone yere ira this fananya. Because some man wabru muka try this type of thing. Yes, if you okay enough to video show when not post to the net. Okay, I got try here. Because working with wisdom and understanding. Working with wisdom and understanding, carry on wine. Okay, I focus on I got naked news. About the nine, but someone gave me that one. Kaku be as one Yakubi, video stream will post to ya, post on the net. So, subscribe, also subscribe this video, subscribe, or send me subscribe, then I will send you the video of this woman.